Okay, alright, welcome to the Diamond Matter channel. I'm Chris Bilton, I'm a jeweller from the UK, now living in Japan, and I've got my own little setup at home and I'm making jewellery making instructional videos. Today, I'm going to tell you how to do something that you should learn right at the start of your endeavour to learn to make jewellery. And if you have been taught by someone for any more than like 2 weeks maximum, and they haven't told you how to do this, they need to find a new teacher because they ain't doing their job properly. This is like a really basic technique and it's so useful and it really helps you out. It's like a foundation little thing you should learn for hand making jewellery. It's like a bit of a trick, bit of a little kind of trick of the trade. It's really effective and it's quite enjoyable to do. It's really satisfying. Yeah, we're straightening this wire and I'll show you how to do it. I'll show you 2 ways of straightening wire. First of all, just get it kind of straight as much as you can. Like, I'm assuming you had like a rolled up bit of wire and you want to get it straight. So straighten as much as you can. Anneal it first of all. And when you're annealing, don't put your flame going across that way. It's a waste of gas, it's a waste of heat. It's actually more difficult to do a good job annealing it as well. Hold your flame going along the piece and then go up and down it. Then you're getting the maximum potential of the flame. You're not wasting any heat. So anneal your bit of wire first. So next you need a vise. You don't need a vise, you kind of need a vise, yeah, but a thin bit of wire like this, you could do this trick at your bench, but you've got more control in a vise, so if you've got a vise, use a vise. Excessive use of the word vise there. If this wire was previously pulled down through draw plates, it's going to have one end sharpened, yeah, that's a bit of waste metal, so put that end in the vise. Said it again. Nice and tight, don't have to go crazy. If you've got any jaws like you use for pulling wire, something delicate like this bit of wire, it's not essential. I've just got these kind of pliers with teeth on. Bend it right down at the top. Give some light. Grip that on the end. And I just kind of hold it tight, just kind of lean back on it. See that? It goes straight, yeah, and you can literally see it and feel it stretch. As soon as you got that kind of stretch sensation, it's perfectly straight. If you measured it to 100ths of a mil, it may be slightly thinner. I don't really think it makes that much difference if you really yank it. Yeah, look at that. That's perfectly straight now. Works on square wire, round wire. I guess any kind of gauge wire it'll work on. It's just, obviously the thicker it is, more strength it's going to take to pull. And the tighter it'll have to be in the vise. Hello, have it back please. Thank you. So yeah, got your little hooky end, straight bit of wire. Right, I'll show you another way to do it. Okay, right, little wobbly bit of wire. Straighten it out, best possible with my fingers. You need a metal block. Where's my hammer? You need a hammer. This is, I think, the best way to do a bit of wire. I'm holding it right at the end. I'm rotating it slowly and tapping it gently, moving it up and down. Important things is your hammer is horizontal to the block, none of this going on. And obviously a flat side, no point using a rounded side. Rotating it, turn it around. There you go, it's almost there. Just lots and lots of very gentle taps. Now if I get a bit of paper, I can get a bit out of my scrap pot. Not that bit. Just throwing it everywhere. I mean, after a bit of paper, because there'll be tiny little marks on there from my hammer and stuff, that is as good as perfectly straight. So for a claw or something, that's ideal really. No problem with that at all. So I've seen on YouTube, yeah, a guy straightened a bit of wire just by like doing this. And I did try it in another video, I can't remember which one, but I just wanted to test it out. It might have been a top tips or golden nuggets video. It kind of worked, but not really good enough. You could probably start off straightening it like that and then go to your hammer. But just doing that on a block, it's not enough work. It was still a bit wrinkly somehow. It wasn't straight. So that's it. That's what this beginner's guide playlist is going to be like. Just lots of short videos with just something in there useful for people starting out. Today was straightening wire. Yeah, as usual, I'm asking for new patrons to the channel. The money I get from patrons is strictly for growing this channel. It won't be spent on anything else. Not to anything to do with my lifestyle or hobbies or other hobbies or interests or anything. It's just only tools and equipment and things useful, silver, gold, whatever I can, to anything I need to help grow this channel and give more useful content to you. So there's a link in the description if you'd like to help the channel grow. I'll shut up now. Thanks for watching. Diamond Melter. Click like, subscribe, share the video, hit the notification bell. See you next time. Bye.